No, I really want to though.
Have you been sick?
I'm pretty much over it. I still got a like lingering cough.
All I need is shoot around. If I shoot around.
Yeah, I need a place to play, dude. I don't have a membership anywhere anymore.
I'm gonna join here on the 15th because if you join on the 15th, you pay for March. You get 2 weeks free essentially. The last 2 weeks of the month. It's $35. I got my tax.
I'm actually just about to get paid.
You get paid by the hour?
No, I mean pay for some freelance. So maybe I should. Because I really want to get my shot. No, it's not my shot. It's my stamina, dude. Like I got good stamina, but not for basketball.
I'm the opposite. Like my stamina is really good right now, but I have no rhythm. I haven't shot around. I'm not even that tired.
I'm really tired. Like
that's what happens
after that first half. Like that's why I missed every single shot in the second half because I just didn't have any strength to get it up. Huh? No.
The problem is we get down in the late minutes, and I'm just trying to keep up shots to put up points, and I'm not comfortable. I haven't shot around.
I had so many inside shots that I just couldn't even get up to the rim for those.
Oh, I had that funny shot. The dude was like right in my.
Yeah.
Remember that one?
I got no strength.
I just have no touch.
Yeah, and that's all from not being able to shoot around. Yeah. But we look a lot better. Crazy. Still, man. If we could keep running like that, that's why we made that. No, that was Steven. It was like fast Steven's last game.
I know. Because we're the Golden State Warriors.
Exactly.
Wait, which one's John?
John?
Wait, which guy was Daryl Simmons?
Daryl was Simmons.
Which one is he?
He's the older guy.
Oh, that's right. Okay. I remember.
Oh man, I got hit in the left eye last game.
You were caught, dude.
No, I just got hit like right in the eyeball. Like,
you're down low,
like raise. It's like right in my eye.
I did the basket.
Yeah, both times it was about my teammate. Last week it was Matt. This week it was Brady.
Oh.
I'm not 100% yet. Hurt my ankle. Point two. Not a sprain.
You like playing in running shoes? Yeah, it's basketball.
More than basketball.
They used to fit like running shoes for low tops, but they just actually they're like soccer shoes. They're not basketball.
These shoes are so old. They're almost like wearing those
pink wear or free.
Yeah. Those type of shoes that are supposed to like simulate barefoot.
Unless the ankles aren't strong enough. That's something.
That was an encouraging win. After that first game, I didn't know how to say. But after that game, we'll be fine.
If we had talent, we would have won.
Yeah, we would have helped a lot. We could have just stopped Titus. I don't know if there's any way.
Next time I want to. Well, if we meet him in the playoffs, I want to. It says he would score and then aggressively and just try to shoot a shot to make up for it. You know what I mean? Like a mono.
It made a few.
Yeah, that was it.
If I had actually hit some of my shots at the end of the game.
Yeah, over 5 minutes.
Yeah, hold on. Which one? Green. Whatever.
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot green. Alright, I'm gonna shoot green. I gotta do some work.
This one looks good. It looks a lot better than I did. Yeah, we should have. somehow find some stamina. Keep up that fast break throughout the whole game.
Well, it's just
Well, first of all, Titus had 37 points. That, yeah, no, like especially at the end of the game, I felt like I was the only one. Yeah. Like even their big man's not that tall. Even their big man's not that tall.
Your jersey, okay. Yeah, just give up with your big guy.
Yeah.
Your jersey.
Size and weight. Yeah, exactly. That's the biggest thing. Lots of times it's just weight.
He'll be back next week. I haven't seen it.
Oh, Jim. James is somebody's going So if you ever go to Bravo, or like I missed a lot of times. That wasn't well, a lot of those shots I think it did. One of those good shots. I've been drinking water.
I'll see how we do with Cal.
Like I need some special
Cal will be in there.
Alright, Cal. I think
Good take, John. All right, Titus.
yeah, everybody makes playoffs. But a single elimination. If you're out, you're out. I'm just glad we had a good game today. If we didn't have a good game today, I would have been like, That's like they 3 or 2.
Pick up the mud.
We have a lot of fun up there. Dude, at the end, man, I couldn't control the ball at all. I kept having, like, we get a nice steal, and I go to take it down the court. It is, man. It's like 6 per week. No strength. Count that shot. Thank you.
Two shots yellow.
Was that bucket good or not?
Yeah, that's good.
Lifestyle. No, Oh, what's the boxing place? That one's on Michigan. Lifetime.
I didn't see.
What's it next to? Isn't there another place? Oh, LA.
On the list, what else is there?
There's Uva.
That's like one.
You know what else it was, man? Is we had all their other artists is fine. Like, I'll let Titus know what points is fine. Never should No. Like, if you anybody else score besides Titus, you're going to look good. So we let shouts on right?
Everybody else.
Yeah.
Or we could have done this other people beat them.
I don't know.
I'm a good
No. Titus is surprised me, man. Like, even if I guarded him, he would have scored.
No, you should have done
You think so?
He was jumping right over.
I was in the See, that's what I was thinking about that, but I was like, if my guard might have been
Never, but he would have just taken it.
Yeah. Which might have been better, I don't know.
What? No.
Oh my god, he went off. He hit like at least 6 he just needs to be a pro player. He needs to stop playing here. No, he just play pro. He's happy. He's a Tigers fan. Who came up with the Bumblebees name? Was it Marty who came up with the Bumblebees name? Yo, help.
That was Brian Chen.
Oh, it was Brian Chen?
You're going back in the league history.
Bumblebees.
That's an original team.
Probably one of the best outfits.
All I can do, you're mixing the loop.
You're right, dude. Because they used to have Joe, right?
I know. Timo's done.
Oh, really?
I remember Ryan, he wasn't happy.
Calvin was out here.
Your team, you're in. Get in. What's up? There we go. Hey. That's an illegal team, by the way.
Kamikaze, I'll believe it. Easily.
One out of two. Best team.
Good game, Joe. Man, I'm sore too, dude. I was sick all last week. Still not 100%.
A lot better.
Yeah, this week was a lot better. First half was good.
You didn't know who was the MVP for last week. Whatever.
Yeah, Basilio's the MVP. And somehow, but somehow he got drafted for it, even though he was MVP.
You should. Well, the thing is, Gabe drafted before me, John drafted before me. Hey, Paul.
Way to sell that foul, John.
Yeah, we need to change it. We need to figure out a better draft.
Next season, I drafted before John, I drafted before Gabe, okay?
Depends how you finish this season.
I should have like 4 picks.
Every season you gotta get
We got Titus. I don't know.
Well, a lot of people could pick up Titus before me. Calvin.
That's true.
And I'll pass it on right there to the big man.
I want to take pass. No way.
Good shot, bro.
Hey, next to that. So you still think you need big man?
We'll probably be okay if we can keep our stamina up. We ran fast break in the first half.
Titus Lane.
Can I get your jersey?
Yeah.
Someone said we need to start getting
From a big pass.
All right, later, Rondo.
Paul. Bumblebees.
See you guys.
Later. Rondo.
Don't show up next week. You don't want no questions on your jersey?
Hey, we're gonna change the time to like 3 o'clock or something.
No, my name. Get a better pack of Mexico. Not that simple.
That's a symbol, man.
Woo!
That go where?
Hey, Paul. Hey, Paul. You said you already had the schedule for next week?
Yeah.
Do you know who I'm on?
Week 2 schedule. I'm going to the I think one of my bodies.
ended up winning only 2 on 2. He's on like a nice today, dude. Yeah, dude. What were you playing? What are you gonna buy? I'm buying rice.
Where do you play? Which casino?
Indiana.
I've been going there.
I didn't know, like, shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot it!
They're holding you for that.
Money! Money! Yo, what happened? I haven't been recording.
Anthony hit 2 threes. Anthony brought 2 threes and Steve Farnsworth got a layup.
Alright, Anthony Brock 2 threes, Steve Farnsworth layup.
No rebounds.
No rebounds.
No one has missed.
Any assists?
No, John didn't know. John missed the 3.
John missed 3.
John missed his 3.
That's right.
Heber got the rebound.
Who?
Roy Hebert.
Hebert.
Herbert.
Oh, Herbert. I thought you said Bieber.
I think I did too.
They go in?
Yeah, that was.
Well, the only company has
Bigger jersey. Dude, I could barely do it. It's so big.
Ted had a 2.
Ted O'Donnell scored a 2.
Not just that. That was Herbert.
No, beginning of the second half.
Well, there's one. There's one. I probably should have
He's tired, that's why.
Man down.
Yeah, 55.
Yeah, John!
We got foul. Best game was your game with Doug. Anytime you guys
Oh my God.
Oh! That was nice foul.
Three. Okay.
No, I was going to see what everybody else is doing. You want to go get first? I liked it. Good.
Dan Marley, bro.
Dan Marley.
Dan Marley, for 30.
Oh, let's go on top 10 and it's going to be Dan Marley. It's not going to say 10. like, okay. Nice.
Got dirty already.
They benefited on 2 on now. That was a good move. Because right.
Not going anybody?
good hands, here we go. Monday! She's going in. Oh! Go in. Oh! Good try, Herbert. Good job. Shoot it!
Ooh. Pulling away. They need a basket. Who's that? No. Their other guy, that Trent Kemp guy, scored.
That's right.
Yeah, he had 21.
I don't think
Yes, I don't even think Steve broke 10 last week. He was like 3 for 15.
Yeah.
My interior defense is, we're good. We're solid. Bucket. Good shot, Jerome. Jerome's working on that jumper.
He hasn't played since last time.
He just willing the ball in there, I guess. He's determined.
Oh, Jerome, come on.
I doubt they wanted Ted O'Donnell taking that shot.
Fight! Fight!
130 left. Get mad. 20 seconds.
Wow.
We're winning.
Bumblebees up by 3.
124.
Gotta get it! Yeah!
Plenty of time left.
Hey, give me the 42.
Hey, the referees have been getting abused today.
They're not getting paid. No, do not attempt that.
What, go streaking?
No, he wants to jump on the table.
Choke, yeah.
You will injure yourself so bad. Try. Did I fall on my back? No, I think a table is you'll probably get the table.
No, it's right. It's right. No, that's right. That's right.
Team that has a score is foul.
Clutch free throws. They call a break after a bad shot. Good call, Rob.
Good call, baby.
Hey, Kelvin. I'm speechless. Yeah, we're going to keep up.
I didn't even know we were going to guys.
Quick whistle. Very quick whistle. That's game time.